press releases. Let's see what we can grab here this morning. BIAF, first little pullback here. Nova, N-O-V-A. Enters into a 30-day grace period related to interest payment due on April 1st. That doesn't sound great. Now let's look at BIAF, still pushing up. That's encouraging. RSLS still pulling down. Not good, not good. ICCT still pulling down some. SBET not doing anything. EVAX, EVAX, fourth quarter loss. Let's see. What else? What else can we throw out here? CSAI, nothing there. AGMH, little 5-penny stock. It's not doing anything at the moment. PSTV, nothing at the moment. Good morning. Good morning to everybody. Hope you're all doing well this morning. Good morning over there on YouTube. Got our moderators over there. Hopefully you don't have to work real hard this morning. Good morning, Instagram, and good morning, TikTok. EVAX, EVAX, another press release on their fourth quarter revenues. Let's see, another one on Nova. Nova keeps putting out press releases, but nothing's moving the stock here. Tim, good morning. Evero, good morning. Good morning, good morning. BIAF pulling down. RSLS trying to curl. Really would like to get $1 out of that one if at all possible. MVST, SBET. All right. Well, we've got a few minutes here before the 8 o'clock press releases come out. About 20 minutes. Linnell, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And good morning, Vicki. Good morning. Good morning to everybody out there in TikTok and YouTube. Thank you guys on YouTube for hitting the subscribe button. I do really appreciate that very much. And TikTok, hitting that follow button, do appreciate that a lot. As well as on Instagram. But I know everybody watching on Instagram is already a follower. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to be watching it live. Shooting for 1,000. I think we're up to like 900 and, oh gosh, I don't know, 900 and something followers on Instagram. Almost at 1,000, 937 or 938 or something like that. I don't know. But pretty excited about getting that up over 1,000. Let's see. Nova talking proactive measures to manage costs. Nothing there. BIAF. Darn good. So far this morning, I've gotten 80 press releases so far. I've gotten 80. It sure is different over here. Yeah, it's different on Instagram. A lot of people don't like watching on Instagram because they can't run Instagram in the background while they're looking at another app. So they don't like to use it. But good morning, everybody. Thank you for hitting the like button over here on TikTok. I do appreciate that. double tapping the screen and following us there on TikTok. Much appreciated. Good morning. Good morning, everybody out there in YouTube. Let's see. Waiting on those 8 o'clock press releases. They'll be here with us shortly. We'll be with you until the 8 o'clock press releases. We'll give you those, and then we're going to be leaving and going back to our Zoom meeting, which is in progress at the moment. Oh, they're at it already on YouTube. Doesn't take long. It doesn't take long. Oh my gosh. It doesn't take long. They come out of the woodwork, man. How's everybody doing this morning? Good, I hope. It's Tuesday, April Fool's today. April 1st. Big April Fools. Hopefully nobody gets an April Fool pulled on them this morning. I always hated those. RSLS trying again. We want $1 out of that thing. We hope we get it. Good morning. Good morning. We got it up to 92.9 RSLS. Looking for a buck. Looking for a buck. Yeehaw! Look at there. There's a cowboy in the camera. Oh, let's see. Michael, good morning. And Michael, thank you for that cowboy hat. I do appreciate that. The cowboy hat and the 70s porn mustache. Told your boss you quit today, huh? April Fools. John, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Happy to see everybody here. Hopefully everybody's having a good morning trading so far. BIAF is up 185%, 186%, 187%, 188. Good Lordy, it's climbing up as we speak. EXK expands for acquisition of 145 million. All right, so BIAF is now up 192% from yesterday's close. Closed yesterday at 26 cents. And right now it's sitting at 76 cents. This was one that we talked to you about yesterday in after hours, right at 4 o'clock. It started off, and we made sure everybody knew about it. Don't know if anybody took any of it or not, but boy, was it a doozy yesterday in after hours. I think that one went up. Yeah, that was up 219% just in after hours last night alone. That was a really good run on that stock in after hours. I was really happy to see a bunch of people grab that in after hours. Oh no. Today's colonoscopy day. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. This is my 1 year month. 423. Nice. Colonoscopy day is not a good day. Good morning. Oh no. You guys are cracking me up, man. So happy to see all the bright smiley faces in here with us this morning. 7:48, almost 7:49. We've got about 11 minutes to go till we get those 7 o'clock press releases, 8 o'clock rather, 8 o'clock press releases. And with any luck, we'll get a really, really good one. BIAF at 79, still going up. This thing will not give up. Every time it starts to climb, it gets knocked right back down again, but it just keeps going. It doesn't want to stop. Usually not. I wouldn't say that it's bad. It doesn't necessarily mean that there's something bad in with their finances if they're postponing it. It could just be there's some legal forms that they're having trouble getting signed, some last minute figures that their accounting company is still working on, and they just didn't get it done in time. But it doesn't necessarily mean that it's bad. It could. It could come out bad, but just being late doesn't mean that it's bad. BIAF. Boy, that thing's at 78. Wicked up over 80 there for just a moment. Maria. I know I'm torturing the name. My apologies. But good morning. Good morning. ICCT still dropping. Silver Fox, good morning. OGI. Potential milestones, earns up to month periods ending. Nothing there. Everybody's wanting 350 on ICCT. $3.50. We almost got there. We hit 342. We got very close. DADA, DADA, definitive agreement for going private transaction. DADA enters into a definitive agreement for going private transaction. DADA. Agreement and plan of a merger with JD Sunflower Investments. Will be canceled. Shares represented by such ADS will be canceled and cease to exist in exchange for the right to receive $2 in cash per ADS without interest. And each share issued outstanding Cancel to cease to exist. Exchange for their shares by ADS will be canceled to cease to exist in exchange for the right to receive 50 cents in cash per share without interest. So it looks like DADA, you'd be going private. SATX, MDA space to acquire Satisfy Communications. SATX is being bought out. SATX. SATX. OGI, Organic Glamo through acquisition, collective projects, ACOG, price target changed. BIAF back to 80 again. It's up 209% now. RSLS, ICCT, MVST, SBET, GPUS. Let's go down through some of these. TNXP, SATX at 195, 197. It's up 60%. Let's see. Triple D. Yeah, it's not going to go much higher than 205. Between 2 and 205 probably on SATX. Might bounce a little higher than 205, but I don't think so. I think it's going to top off around 205 at max. Let's see, Lynn D'Angelo. All right, we've got 4 minutes. If you can hang out for 4 more minutes, just give us 4 minutes and we'll see what we can get on the 8 o'clock press releases. BIAF up there in 79 neighborhood. ICCT looking for 350 on this one. ICCT, we're at 313 at the moment. Looks like we've got a little bit of volume coming in. Let's see if we can push this up over 325, 326. Let's call it 327. If we can get up above 327, this one could take another honest run at 350. SATX, again, don't think that one's going to go much higher than 205 max. DADA enters in an agreement, plan a merger. Nothing there. CCT still pushing up a little bit. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Salma, good morning. Kate, good morning. Anybody else that I missed saying good morning to, I apologize. And I say good morning to you now. We've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and we're going to get our 8 o'clock press releases. And then after that, after we throw out all the 8 o'clock press releases, we'll do a quick recap of what's moving. And then we're going to log off of YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. And we're going to head back to our Zoom that's going on right now over on our website. And everybody is welcome to pop into the website and subscribe to the live Zoom meeting and join us in there every single morning. We'd love to have you. It's actually afternoon here. Where are you at? Where are you at that it's afternoon already? It is 7:58 in the morning here. Iran. Oh, very cool. Well, good afternoon. Happy to see pop in with us. Even if you're not into stock trading, we still happy to have you in here. All of you. There's a delay on YouTube. That's kind of unusual. Usually we don't get much of a delay on YouTube. All right, we've got 30 seconds. Are you ready? Oh, a 5-second delay. Wow. DADA, another press release from them. All right, 10 seconds. Here we go. I hope you're ready. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Something really cool pops up here at 8 o'clock. All right. RXRX to participate in an upcoming investors conference. XAIR announces groundbreaking research publication. Oh, QLGN enters the $10 billion CABG market with a non-binding MOU to acquire another company. QLGN. Quickly. Go look at it quickly. QLGN. Let's see if that one runs. SLNH put out their revenue. So it's popping up a little bit on their revenue report. SLNH. GDC received a NASDAQ letter. CHRS announces repurchase of approximately $170 million of convertible notes. That's on CHRS. CLDP. Okay. Presenting at a conference. ESPR appoints new officer. Goodyear, GT, Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company, announces that the Goodyear blimp is back. The old vintage design of the Goodyear blimp is back in action. CATL. Ounces publication. Noted patients there. SLNH getting a little bit of bump. MRSN. Johnson's upcoming oral presentation. DADA. It's kind of stuck where we thought it might get stuck. Successful close. Nothing there. Nothing there. Oh, the rest of these are not looking good. Biospace expansion agreement. Man. All right. BIF. DATA. Merger consideration. That's nothing there. Come on, baby. TNXP. SATX at 204. Guts moved up a little bit on their earlier press release. SLNH. Still moving up a little on their revenue report. Pulling back a little bit at the moment. Let's see. QLGN. Boy, QLGN popped beautifully and then pulled all the way back down again. Wow. We'll keep an eye on that one, though, for potential good bounce off of that bottom. That's SATX at 206, 207, Now SATX has gone higher than I thought it would. I thought it would peak out around 205. Peaked up just a little bit higher than I thought. Yes, I'm on the East Coast time, Eastern time, but I'm down in Central Florida. Nice, hot, sunny Florida. But anybody that's interested in learning to do what we do, just pop over to the website, wolfpackcommunity.com, send me an email, and we'll get you started. In the exciting and sometimes heartbreaking world of stock trading. All right. Well, that was it for the 8 o'clock press releases, and there really wasn't much in there, was there? Looking to see if any of it is running. None of the press releases so far. I've had 106 press releases, and none of them really are moving much. Now, SATX, of course, went up 68%, but it's not going to go much higher. I said it would top off around 205, but it did actually hit 207, I think, which is a lot higher than I thought it would go. But other than that, there's not really been anything to speak of that's gone up really significantly on a press release. There's not been any real good ones this morning yet. But we've still got the 8:30 press releases. Maybe something will come out on the 8:30 stuff. It's not for a lack of press releases. We've gotten 106 of them so far. We're getting plenty of press releases that are hitting the market. It's just none of them are very good. They're all kind of fluffy, price target changes, class action lawsuits, just general market news, change in company officers, that kind of stuff. It's just all fluff junk news. But we always say we only need one, like in the case of ICCT yesterday, we just need one to make everybody's day go good. IBO booming up again. Let's see. QLGN. Looks like it hit bottom down here at 305. Let's take a look at the monthly chart real quick. I would say so. Pull back on the monthly chart and look at QLGN. We just bottomed out at what appears to be a 52-week low. And now it's bouncing back up again. So could be a good bounce play here on QLGN. We'll keep a very close eye on it because it's got a very low float. It's a low float stock. They just went through a reverse split. Let's see, how long ago was it? Okay, so it was last November 5th of this last year. They went through a reverse split. So they've got a relatively small float on them, which means they do have the ability to move pretty quick. But we'll look for a nice little bounce here. It went down to 305. It's back to 333. It spiked up to 460 on the news. Let's see how much this one's going to climb back up out of the hole here and regain of that. All right. ICCT trying to get back up over 3 again. IBO going crazy. IBO popping up real nice. TLPH price target at $6. GFAI launches DVGO, an AI travel planning tool powered by specialized AI agents in the United States. See, that's all fluff news. It's all fluff. So we are going to keep an eye on ICCT, see if that one bounces up nice for us. We're going to watch QLGN to see if this one's going to bounce up off this bottom down here. Should be a great bottom play down here. Should be. We'll see. Hi from Indonesia. Drink your insurance and go to sleep, old man. Steve, from the looks of your picture, I don't think you got a whole lot of room to talk there, my man. Oh, the nut jobs on YouTube are just fascinating to me. All right. You guys have a great morning. We're going to head back over here to our live stream on Zoom. You guys have a good one. I'll be back on again at 4:00 this afternoon, 4 p.m. Eastern time. We'll be back on again, and hopefully we'll catch something in after hours like we did yesterday. Catch a nice piece of news and get a nice little 100% runner in after hours. So until then, you guys have a great day and keep it green.